At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for a private label business involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a name. Select a name for your LLC that complies with your state's regulations. Ensure the name is not already in use by another business in your state. 2. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State or equivalent office in the state where you want to form your LLC. This document typically includes basic information about your business, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 3. Choose a registered agent. Most states require LLCs to have a registered agent, which is a person or entity designated to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is formed. 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, voting rights, and other important details about how the LLC will be run. 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. An EIN is a unique identifier for your business, similar to a Social Security number for individuals. You'll need an EIN for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. 6. Apply for business licenses and permits. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you may need to obtain various business licenses and permits to operate legally. Check with your local government or small business administration for guidance. 7. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated business bank account. This will help with accounting, taxes, and legal liability protection. 8. Trademark your brand. Optional if you haven't already. Consider trademarking your brand name and logo to protect your intellectual property. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. After your LLC is established, you'll need to comply with ongoing requirements such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and maintaining proper records. It's advisable to consult with a lawyer or a professional business advisor to ensure that you're following all legal requirements and that your LLC is set up correctly for your specific situation. Additionally, the specific steps and requirements may vary depending on the state in which you're forming your LLC. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.